Hello, agus fáilte Hugh Na Seansálaithe, mas maidir seansa ghlaciad Na Seansálaithe. Is mis Hugh McGill agus tá actually ínta sweaty inniu just fís me Gary Grosh overall sin sort of hasimiid an pod shot that Jerry seachtaine like from like bar agus my housemate agus the shot to the flaw. Doesn't keep out the marah shot. Anyway, tá shot much code lucky lemoch card or dúspar tá shot la Áine weir. Áine, get you ever tattoo?
Bhí me go brag dí go me an anecdote beag seo faoi a bhéid alles atart agus cé sin ó leor an sin a haíon ru sin na más a féil. Tú flá. Níró sin íolarm. Tróna seo, rina seachtaine tá mé tursa I rais ó láfsaí ar bainc agus níos gom cén dóhhaim faoi sin na siú.
Yeah, like just Gary like genuine unnecessary comments, you know what I mean? Because it can't be unnecessary comments to Shaw Foster. Let James Fáilte. James, could you remember that too?
Go on, yeah. You shouldn't segue really about each come around to my fáilach link on the base to a downward spiral. That's the first got an Ireland. So fair play, Shin. Yeah, he came out do intro soft grim and then there's Áine on to my floch, it just innuendo beyond, so we like, oh no, and then there's niemand on ganu ekel salabo, like kinalin scared. So need just kick my mohu, like when my happy go to for late, no my like
Well, dús buire, right? Dús buire is brala me the yen because him ekel the a aha because him ekel literally they're like, oh fuck whatever. Agus fásta ní lots of genu ein comments fi dinne ekastí in labby. You're like thing wang and shaw I will fecus the labba anything again. And that is
all right.
Yeah, and Níamachchan ein rodella a rafusion no more tussachar blast na ein rud mar sin.
Just change agus éis lenar Eagrán ón seachtainí arachtas na saoire.
Yeah.
Tuigi sé bheithanar tar Hugh.
Dan co-hex. The éisteoirí nua bacht, honestly. Ní má ad really exmítú sin in ish go bhfuil tá seans hon. Ní deams German seo like ahan seachtaing ach tá seans go bé seo an céad Eagrán don na Seansálaithe atá ag duine. Agus saolaí daró gailgóir bug ag Gary Iirecht, it's Gary chuid gaile go fiosú, there's Gary piece of crack, tá should ag Gary phodchraoladh nachfuil cho de rire nachfuil cho sinnianta cinna bhfuil get a bug níos edgy le an cracksin agus a céad a flush and shit na James a country cake of floss at se. The brown
Jaran sé gur do bhíní fásta an phodchraoladh. Is super mit smóirí má tá si de géirí ar fáiste sa go bheith éisteáil seo. Lochtarne Tá muna just cur mar dúir tú phodchraoladh sunna ré cúise ar fáil do bhíní atá gurí go agus acu íosú so.
Yeah. Mata ein grow up. Mata ein daltaí a géisi le seo agus dúirt muintear so go le éis le seo le dúirt gaile go fiosú stad sin. Yes, muintear alcaí sin agus chur stop leis an pod inis. Actually, not chur stop pod, just chur ar mute na rudaí mar sin. Imaging in play go fád.
Turn a place down.
Yeah, exactly that. Well, dúirt tú go tú sa pod sin go le saoire bainc on and sin ag tú san seachtaing 4-day weekend is brilla é eáil sé an dhearna sibh se don Jerry seachtaine tá me lása ag sé cad a bhír siúil agad agus tú ar na léanta saoire.
Bhí mé onanta ládrána ní muidir le go exciting leat an dúir seachtaine seo. Cuí mar seo bháile go chun chláir mar go bhí ma hisismóirí nún gáil so free gaff but nó ní se có exciting sin bhí coppla car gom sa te haing muidir má an úní an pizza oven taomhaí agus bhí pizzas a gan mu sa gardín.
Yeah, má go bin musical instrument bhí others.
Whipping out the uni, there's a honey a tarla kella.
The good old.
Just shit him with an uni,
Yeah.
It's saying all the mayor and uni actually. Tisha, be my intom I bringing lots of vibes. So wait, fun second. Could they tell uni? Like, is it like outdoor barbecue or no kid games?
Is
Pizza oven up.
Ein pizza tá an agus tá sé is ceantar miota le agus tá siad ionta mai because current tú an aimiid istá las tinine is tá sé cos le wood-fired pizza a bhaithe i Milan.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Níor thola siú tá just a ggurcar seo anis ar
Like Hugh just brand new it should be líne and it's just got that's called raw mob boss you.
Libh agus tusa just Urshan actually and the shift rú ordú or rudaí and then ring of German faoi and then you want to refast feel a rag was like chacht or how should the Rio
no bí is gom net a rudí ordí hagam
so Doherty Misha, right? I'm actually a bit naive shift we shot. Like in Neri, okay? And Neri, I was like, if you get a extra pocket change of them, like, if you mohu my fum hain. I think you're more like genu like Mashuan or Mashamra, genu like the like, not to think be Kirker and Vod, back a goal, couple of like action figure of them and Shaw or my bookshelf was done mission. I guess Honic my kin da Arthur Morgan and brief character in Red Dead Redemption 2. Agus chaith ma an number airgid there. That's all I'm going to say. Now cymryd gwm gajira cyfeid y fion, but I'll tell you right now that it was a number airgid. Agus just near Hanig she like Shaw. I think it was like me fiara the fihi da gohermission or the Shaw and just ring with Jarm with fee. And then from a refast lynchin Loretta Obe Shalater and Áine, and I was like, Cadame Lumgarina, what is coming? And then Dark Masusa, I guess Dark Masusa like in price tag of year, and I was like, Kane Fa Inari me Fiara, why did I do that to myself? Kane Fire or Ikma Shin Lahai and the action figure Shaw. I thought just gonna be Swiss or my desk. The Swiss or my shelf.
Does seachtainí seo?
Yeah.
So
as Hong Kong.
Líne
Jerry Malatnish. It was fiara the fi da so then blian gulai. And
so just passing us gur lump the plastic event.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, chance.
99 cents store job of on.
It's gonna be beautiful. I hope so, because otherwise
just sample now the Doyle Hugh arrogant saga near me arrogant move because each to their own and chat gotcha scale Instagram so good Curti Arja stadium genta as Lego now you have you commotion it's Beishin stadium in Malia come on
it's stadium bohemians it's kin bohemians
because they're canny to
no because
but like whole road do last
well no it's because we should deal them off so we're on chance
a curvy text you K start road show like come on it's Lego ton €100 igor miniature like stadium bug in Malia.
Well never fear enough for me she can Lego granted ni ma even to talk confirm show but can na Emirates Arsenal and all as London vi burst gonna lads hall na cluthe agus bhí mise in toist fa ihe a chur le chéile agus a fós sí siomar sí teingteach but yeah I love a bhrisise but ní dig si cad a bhrisise
an seo chutha le chéile hana hin
no
current to le chéile tú
an picture as me really
well obviously yes it's kind of rare like Shaw Stadium Daily Mount agus it's just collection of bricks I don't think we should yes gan mar an fógra got anu le sin
agus an ceiste tugam an deir sheets like sort collab le Lego leis an rud seo a roú.
No, it's lad Dublin bricks a time turn lad and it's basically what the Nyancha is just good Jen and Sheshin and Jaru done stuff like current like hella sets a hain dog cunnis like na ruddy shot a togu like PC like Bolaclia so like higlafa like mini Grogans like mini Fallons whatever agus this is like the mini pubs this is quick euro agus the kenogum so it's shaw the pool bag stacks and I think Russia Shim Grosha Chimpler it was quick euro fast it was quick euro fast
so take them get to bugny small price because this lad they call up to
oh yes yeah it's individualized like it's like
okay, it's a co-sneeze fire go he me grow to file. Just the egg in the $4 a Lego as a commercial like as great as a €1 version.
No, current session le cealla an current session le cealla like na instructions exam idir cén dá chuir le cealla agus na bricks gus mar sin agus ar sin cost le seo see it's actually tugman seo Dublin bricks seo dá ding mí gur rud agus sin current le cealla seo great, this is great audio content, so seo an fógrat is fearr le
Cos go muid fáíocht le seo.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor,
Not
yeah.
sponsored.
Yeah, shop pieces all like shop pieces on the instructions, whatever. But there's a class spreadups in the Dublin brick stuff. But yeah, no. Basically, there's the ní caiith margad are like all hand no or like I'm trying to think like the road like rudaí different like ní icum le high a land rudaí like Galanina, but then I'll just make one big silly purchase.
That's too extravagant.
Yeah, and this the reach just being like super like the DJ decks exclusively on the and a couple of record in this fast to find a couple of vinyl in this the reach. But yeah,
80 being 80 fancy of a turn to
if you might literally con Rother Christmas and scrum scale on you to be like in brands because ein rud agam EP ein 80 agam I think I'm I think a game got Shaka pennies because felt like the full Barbie set. I think she had planned it agam.
Yeah. No, Shin look it's a Hugh.
I
think a joke like you know. And Taylor not tal Londini a caition. Big Dini Akayo all together now. Independence honey meg leor picture, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, will to agree the Shasumak is about eggs soon? No.
Don't know. I think I've done enough Shasuma to be honest. I think I'm all good.
I'm just Ken.
Listen, and anywhere else I'd be a 10.
I am enough.
Enough. Pema enough. Third food to James. Any silly purchases? Kane online purchase is massive. I think Rio. I actually don't know. I guess that's a shop friar fast then. Yeah.
Me the online purchase massive on my Rio.
Yeah. Ooh. Any drunk purchases? Should know the whole identity.
I'd say good cons in some. Ring my con in Norway. It would no too simply in the like a booth she pelle with a save our Instagram. August like we should all well and good no honey should like hook ages or but like we should try like sold out colors is like could the Nike tempos on just really darker like fall the size on because of it really stupid at all. August honey shit anyways. You brand go out chudred chama iad samáisteach agus on soul plate at a broig agus chudred just dimmen daho agus vi stains at a piece of bond gum broig that nar immer ass or whatsoever. So is piece of shite go broig vi on ige zede agus dabach man an creamery at an in nach Instagram finish. Yelling name and shamer, well, we should brutal. Like, should purchase this massive. I guess we should fucking deireadh version. Never this massive. So you've been on internet with this massive on that.
Russian knockoffs, Russian like fake versions on the broggy, or was it like?
See, I just thought it could be in the broggy carte on. I just thought that these guys had them. I guess basically remakes of on the routines, but like we should brutal. Like oof also like different shape massive oh man absolutely horrific like yeah
traumatic.
So next time I just can't broke pelle way Stephen the character from now on.
Fair. Fair.
Don't do the cat.
Yeah.
Careful saying it can online purchases massive gigantic drill.
Ní mar an shop director líne credit no not credit. Mona will rud can really Yolam and can smassa Canny muddy o Depop minute agus ní fish on she'd me mar is bregadori glordini or Depop agus during sheet size 8 but will also fit size 10 12 and 14.
That's like ending
fits all unisex you know and then canning to it agus that should be doc no row so ta like mala gum the stuff canny me o Depop knock fit on me nar fit on me real cake ruchi gur size bhían so cai mission the league and rud mass na cai tusadul rash Depop to hain agus 100 a hiú chance my no dini airí and it's just pain to tiny so it's a Jared just tug him the shoppy car nach date de gra
Grim.
Yeah, I mean,
So
grim to our 80 the charity, but
boo.
grim.
Bún ná gen sin ú ní ghlachan muid le éach amach ná le aon donna cóhachtí sin. No afhúnithe, nothing renewable. Cai ahanra amach, please. That's the stance of the Seachtainí.
Understand everything.
We're a pro.
We're going to Kial and
is phodchraoladh pro climate change, Virginia. We're like the only ones that Gary global warming.
No, but it's nation on America mice. So clushy look fake or look they should the foodie smoking.
I'm telling you. James like I had a good run. It's not
Eagrán. They're not real in Seachtainí.
Slán.
Flip side sin on purchases fear líne was like gardeners agus is Amazon bhíán agus is just adapter bhíán that does chulle plug down.
Tasca go to Gary Shan are so excited for the adapter.
I know, but we like
my adapter.
We might gimmer such like ages. We might like, oh my god, Europe, UK.
It's like I'm there.
Like I'm traveling the world in this little adapter.
What do you mean immert la? What do you mean
so it's just cubiton and then you flick onto simple rudaí. It's just took an adapter's mach like go so like it just took in the pins mach wherever in the world you may be. I guess that USB or the fucking fleet rudaí in charge on it goes as a cube buckshot. Yes, it was a socket one. Unreal.
And James like, me got you if you done our alarm.
Honestly, no. From the adapter shows, Curmer Shachs a Europe adapter just to come in on out.
No, do you know what you costla? It's costless for could you go or in the ads shouldn't avail like our Euro shopping. That's good like the ads like a Carol Hugger
JBL, ads JBL.
Absolutely. It does everything.
Honestly though,
James BL, it's literally right there.
Oh, we shall glass. We man mesmerized again.
Mesmerized.
Did you bet Áine na tele shopping ads and you know Dini Kai Lord fi Rodwan and go like leor clig. Like
oh my god.
Like in America, being a Lord fi better like cardigan one when you clig. Oakla James, you know.
Oh, fact. We are class. We have the USB-Cs on. The USB-C was on the keen to bug. Just unbelievable, like.
Time, stad.
I just thought on the Seachtainí, yeah.
No,
I was gonna say Amazon.
With our discount code, Higlafell and plug Seachtainí 20. Higlafell and Rudkier in the Shaw. Oh my god. Listen, it's agus Jarmuch Morla James is a salesman in this shocked. Can will.
The Bezos go my higher he should close to Eagrán job.
Jeffrey McGill Bezos, I'm telling you. This Lantar aid on the Seachtainí. Do you ever read the bank holiday, James? Sorry, I think Firmage get sidetracked.
Yeah, Firmage's actually really sidetracked, you know.
Yeah. Sidetracked.
Yeah. And the locked arm said Brun arm.
Níró mu ar seachtainna cho lán le fuineh agus a bhíon adapter sin.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow. My Hugh.
So yeah, tá mis body íontach ládránach. Was after she so goí chuhí mór a pellets after so alcohol consumption body go zero agus yeah, so we might just really hard tach go sharing yacht agus ní sin den der seachtainna kin wholesome begin over the gym agus hosama shra only murders in the building it's chonig ma Gera episode yeg it's real law so
whoa
yeah ní that lehor like but
okay never mind
so we well tríoch go tí ceach an American so
I suppose dúir tú na rólan eile ar siúla go a dúir seachtainna seo so bhí am a go le bheith arcar instruction like you know
yeah
Dark mission cé trí nó ceire episode den chláir sin hana agus an sin chéint ní me ach tá mé gurí arcar tá sé mai
Tá se anha de really má. Like don't you
Clearly.
that like bugad a chomáras an adapters in like that's
Bugna
is on an spruch agus a srá nu tá srá trí actually I mó fi láthir inis so tá má gáil srádócheach nu agus sin gáil tíach seach go srá trí so depends like bit nach mar ceachní am go tín tám sé chéir eile but
Tá Disney Plus an láidir fi láthir sílam le se na telefíe seo go the bear ínta hosí mé garc so tá dar sreat sin dear go mé ach darc méin agus cilíonn an dáisre omlan haar an sire bank go mai.
It's tá sin really good on that well it's like chuig episode na the sé episode sa Sraith there's like láfar ar fád nach bhfuil.
Ocht sa céad Sraith agus tá J nó dóag sa J? Oh, I don't know, but tá siad le an mai. Éann siad níos fuide sa dar Sraith because obviously bhí daoine gurí níos mó. Tá sé aonanta be ceartú bhacar.
More bear content.
Yes.
Get as much bear into you as possible.
Inusling faoi an deir seachtaine spríú le bheith
you're really setting this up and Shaw like Garoma Genu like like skydive agus Garoma like parachute agus Genu bungee jumping Groma like a model of supermodels like that is not the vibe of
typical deir seachtaine no.
Big Ray, yeah, but not a Jerry Shafting show.
Oh, so if you can't bug in these team
this was kind of sauce. This was a bit of a sauce, like you know what I mean. Yeah. Lost in the sauce. The Vima. No, vi actually son leor. Vi don cheadur, and I would say meana. I actually even cymnigum keko this vi show Harley Shaw. Vi in chat ogum do hain. So like commission the corner to Cheshire sa cha lumsa. Agus bhí ahanana duine ar leitheanta saoire. So literally bhí full rain agamsa don cha omlan. Agus hannearna ma tap. But it got to the point where bhí misha like, oh shit, like cai misha actually tore arger and chasha. So bhí misha like a hoovral, bhí ma mapal, glán ma chiamra. I was like Sean with the Tarly and they're not well dingy heart arm made distraction. I become like Kim and Aggie as like how clean is your home. Agus just like glán is was with as a lit an craction because the road to ogin is the chat so she wrote to like road to ogin char cave Jenny glanus or the version but for Michelle Lumhain and I was like well I guess to Michelle Jenny Shaw anish so she ho board as vi my tamoen gamoen done vi Lumhain but no ring my couple of the other vi my gimmer Clehe mafia which is like basically like being a little mafioso down Rudamon creating mission like again which I think is not what you're meant to do. I think there's an answer like a couple of a job whatever but you're my in Rodella vi ma Hanig ma scanan der vanium the People's Joker or hold or scanan sin
no
it was more parts the Gaze Film Festival of the Lighthouse in Monaclia because basically then scanan shaw a vi gente ag ban transishkina and Hershey they ma Urawen like Toronto Film Festival agus hannig DC ma and they were like you can't show this film ever again like Neil Cadigan shocker ma because basically near Fershi and Cad for any that ain't on the character like Batman like it is it's basically like a Batman piss take scan on whatever but it's like piss take that Batman but it's also like if we Eshe ag chat them off more ban transishna and also like satire and parody and like 100% whatever. It's mental. It's absolutely crazy, like more scanan. And I think Neil Cad Aku Ach a Chishbant more part the film festival because then the content and shade more like wider distribution or whatever. Oh, yeah. It's like a legal loophole basically. So if you shot like in Chance when basically if you go scan show Ekel. So when Ekel. Agus mental absolutely mental agus an sin ar an dónach bhí ma ag flá bhí me go flá ar dónach don cheadúir ar ma riúig flá agus bhí man sin don ober agus te class that's actually like crack my I wish groma an on fanart níos fudge and I wish groma an on dul ríis an deir seachtain seo like
Dúir an den lá.
Literally sin ó like a dá go dín chuig and it was just bhí an amsa like basically just in fi sean an sin faoi like daoine ceáil d sin hartar an flá, but há se like a curb OSG. It was like torrential ag punch aigen, so when just hiig pub aigen agus basically just orchestrate how much trad session like near ein ceoltar is the sin, but bhí lad linne guitarist bhí linne Emmet na cumnig mar an slunne bhíar, but bhí really jazz lad an balle agus just há session ag senimar an guitar agus há mu chu ceisi daoine le áraní dhéanú ar a gasú agus just há daoine like volunteerly then sin like just strandry bhí huas sin don deir seachtaine, so bhí actually cracker dóid so I wish gromid an fanart níos fudge but ní má nach dí like I think it from an training like carné quick I think arás go bailach agus
no wadro gear le big flaceol Aaron.
Oh, I know. I wish Grumman on like eventually done here or like le fecal and cracker fat. Agus sin an lún hanar ma ein rud. Fi ma gurker well sub cadid ta gash like Evo.
Action like kosh vegan.
No, I mean, I think what I'm birching of carrot acnihation or the Tamakachwi. Evo 2023. Evo she an fighting game tournament is Mo Sedone. And it's dingy again Street Fighter and Yehella da like agus fine and butcher like $3,000. It's like crazy money. Done the dingy shop being a gimmers clehi. So can the much cars fair Hanik Shashiri Gicha. Agus dark much Evo done le omlan. Agus dark my wrestling fasta, obviously. So Jar shotting ogum lum fein sucha agus and dinnewen if he shears chahogum was Kendon the lad so diagramage non Urkadini Gimmert Street Fighter Hall America.
So not vegan cheese.
Not vegan cheese, no. So that's shouldn't cake of fee and as Vima Jar shotting.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Listen, I'm aware. Tessagum, I'm aware. It's very hot. I know that it's super cool. It's super sexy. For me with Jenny Shaw. So calm down. Do you know what I mean? Like it's get the I can feel the sexual tension in Lisa Zoom Shaw Hannah Fane. It's just a number kit, you know?
Tá fiú an alles a do réim tééis trimú so sin.
It's a thursanish.
No, wow, suddenly, I just need to, the headache will go, any fatal me. Any fatal me. That's some kid fire.
Well, I'm just going to get flies there, shafting shot. So,
actual Adarm, like, I really wish Grumman on fan attack heart, agus dull. Because this goes Swiss, let's a crew, let's a crew of Scalif now.
Yeah, so I'm just going to do it. So, Clip pellet is on agus sin sústa dúna ag flá. So flá ag flá.
Oh yeah.
If I to walk only who want to hink my.
Yeah, beimish on for the whole shebang and like like.
Notch. Ve don't while you're in training go chuig clog.
Wow, okay. The arms that was work mandated, you know. The mission on over.
We actually my good a few Hugh Rudaí or 12 p.m. go 5 p.m. no 12 a.m. go 5 a.m.
Yeah.
I wish Grow mention 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. or in Jahur if you mention 12 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Ooh.
Listen, daro atchigum la fanart agus daro atchigum or ending elevation and lesson your woman la ending your rosagum then fanning heart. Ach, listen, Nero ein Gilgar, you walk about Harvey.
Oh, tashi done, tashi tart.
I know go may, but
I can start calling you know, like cause the bird calling or they can is just chuck she the and cunya, you know.
Hooty hoo.
No, on the clan shell it means like Anchorman, just the
Did you ever do? Just think me shot on. Oh, I'm good.
I'd had some good twin shot. Jesus.
Kill us.
Faduda.
Call the fucking fadudas, look.
Call the fucking the fadudas are fat. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I'd say gross heart, but just near hasma le dinge bhí aró atí go marthú. So earn draw her stand, bhí arm I know. Listen, I'm líon sugaim seanske nenimmuid chair seachting omlanda. Seachting omlanda. Oh my god. And then it's the phodchraoladh beag a flat. Do you think you'd be much on there?
Where and find them.
Yeah. At the very specifically rud on kill. Do you think you can imagine on just catch just lower chicken with their fat?
You're miss a gig agus ag libh just chatlam.
Yeah.
Huckling
it just cans os Kean kill Áine. It was like
Shinner rudder while dingy. Yeah. Shinner rudder while dingy the Germans go calker matarlu and it's just Anik Shannon agus Michigan James just ignore haar shit.
Give go hunting with his shusha.
Yeah, so weird.
So rude. Give on what's your podcast? But just
so
kill him with his shusha. It's like should I kill? Come on,
listen,
man.
Look. No, listen. Haar olum to rather be as Barbie, Kaimage and Statue Horse, done ban, done them rare, and mass and almost.
Yeah.
Listen, is this a band reading pod? Like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know Nackwell James more feminist but it's just
it's on friggin' picked in the evil show on the but like hang your Barbie lumps like I absolutely love it. I can't go Barbie hilarious.
Yeah, can we miss the echo or be commotion?
Quite an echo reach.
Yeah, agus ook me na bookly in my hackdom agus a angel ocean come.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Vita Gary like a jazz or Tifa. You're like, right, come on.
Yeah. Angelo, he'll killing Groshe Granner.
Yeah. What's that? Monero Dul egg Killian on, would you say come out in like more like Brad Jarg?
Brad Von Jarg.
Brad
it was right there. We should cheer.
Boo. Boo.
I mean, Becky is a good financial grow the mech, toxicity or behan a Killian Martian, so he's going to shop and go win a Killian Tanuas.
Killing raw other more now, like fall Brotney Zara point.
I think
like deep inside, like an actual serial killer on their teens dog. Just fall 8 million commission back on the war.
That's just another kind of crazy.
Yeah,
because his lucky number is 8. I guess just a fan of name Blean.
Yeah.
Then Áine, you're dead.
That's fine. R.I.P. Fly high, Queen. I mean, yeah, I think I'd say a punch shot will is a good ahan would fee. Do you think?
Yes, though it may fee I'm sure. That's a defamation of character done Ryan show James Arago go killing go me waru glue again couple of me.
Oh no, just ifs and buts like you need the definite, to the bit and tardu. Sure, but
no.
But those are 100 for Áine. Kim is bikini like Killian.
Moles again, you'll bikini again.
Oh.
Which okay.
Yeah,
it's okay.
We've had bored if we cracking Mochel. I think we should have the Jericho listen both.
Yeah, wow. Listen, no, kneecap him.
Two extremes the gin, we man like
kneecap
like empathize. That's how they get you.
That's how they get you. Listen, kneecap him go Killian Hunt to a waru, but it is
no kneecap them shit. No.
But it is more likely that it is someone who that murders you. Anyway, Sinead Jaron.
And on that bombshell.
That I'm during a sort of Marion with Áine. Sinead, Don Eagrán Shaw, Don Na Seansálaithe, Na Jenny German, come in with and a genu show bio electric picnic Emiliana la Could J Bay and True Ogin and Shin agus Nive and murdered Riven show. Béle fekel mat Gary much ekel ag EP vi mu genu show ar an Saharns na Jenny German la check-in dhéanú sa phobal Gaelic in sin ag EP má tú ag taslan sin ach mat géimiid las ar na man hosta táid ar na seansaí ar Instagram na seansaí ar Twitter agus na seansaí ar YouTube de ar go aoní gáiltain sin agus fásta ar Spotify so dí deáil cibí et bhhain tú war go phodchraoladh ach te sin cos tú géisiart lein fao lethir mar gurí Áine am sin na man hosta tá sí mór anywhere ar Twitter, anywhere ar Instagram agus anywhere ar TikTok. But there James Amsher in the man hosta tá sem mar flairtach ar Instagram, flairtach ar Twitter agus flairtach ar TikTok. As me gur Mahéana Amsher ar the man hosta hegad me ar Hugh Carr ar Twitter, Hugh Carr ar Instagram agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Agus am a fantasy Premier League team genta fásta inis. So Joe Heamy in FC and Tanya Ronima cos natural bu mag ober agus bring my jarmid gur féidling eu such tá leagues ela so whoopsie tá go bheith shite anyway be ground that's scary na dé jarmid a reach lane with game a flogal solar chainwood just EP
and we're down to get 3 o'clock so go just ahern o 3 go g fi gonna cahar bigi lin bain crack or doyan
bean sin na be at the charnog James Inwood gur wide of the flogal
nope
just go to single go fáil no bother at all James ar fáil
sure ní sin go garú be mo hu give me tap jogging so
actually biggie Ray done Arthur Moore
like yeah log go Boston rash
yeah R.I.P. You hate to see it. Could you go fast and Greg James Rash, Pimage Rash, la Eagrán done the Seachtainí buddy gesult as Jerry Seachtaine agus buddy gesult as a fla, but that he's good check to James being a big gallivanter. Slán.
Slán.